Hello everyone, my name is Ashutosh. Today is the 20th February and my video topic will be noise pollution. First of all, understand what is meant by noise pollution. When the excessive amount of the sound that is cross the limit to the learning and they are directly affect to the human beings, ecosystems and environment, that excessive amount of sound that is known as noise pollution. Uh, Noise pollution have various sources traffic. When day by day increases the vehicles and personal vehicle, motorcycles and more, and that traffic vehicle create the sound. That vehicle create the sounds and they are directly affect to the humans and environment. Other source will be industrial source. When industrialization increases, and that's what they are some industry are near to the city and villages and near to the forest, and that industry creates the more amount of sound, and that sound are directly affected. The other source are railway and aircraft. When railway and aircraft, the sound will be more, and that's the create the noise pollution. Other will be natural sound. Some sound are in a rainy season. They create a sound that cloud and earthquake are source of the noise pollution. That are the various sources of noise pollution, and that create the excess amount of sound, and that create the noise pollution. And other part is how this sound will be sound will be decreases, and how to noise pollution will be decreases. The are discussed. How to the pollution will be decreases. They are discussed. To develop the industry, so using the sound absorbing material. When to develop the industry, construct the industry, that time use the sound absorbable material. That's why they absorb the sound of the material, and they obstacle between industry and the other ecosystem. That type of material will be used. Then other will be to use electric vehicles and other vehicles. That vehicles are the sound will be less. And they are not create a much more amount of the noise pollution. Other will be to increase the awareness to the peoples. They are some of the events will be created, and also social media, and they also increase the awareness. They in that platform they to tell that to the peoples their sound pollution, how will sound pollution are affected to the human health and also environments, and that is very dangerous for the human beings, how they are directly affected to the ecosystems and human beings. That awareness will be increased, and also increase the how this sound pollution will be decreases. That alternate suggestion to tell that how this sound will be decreases. That also awareness will be increases. Other they in buildings and malls, they use the sound absorbing materials and much sound absorbing material. That's why they are outside sound are not directly transfer to the inside. That type of materials are used. In this topic, other will be discussed how this is sound noise pollution will be affected to the ecosystem and human beings. In human health, they are directly affected when excessive amount of sound will be hearing. That many problem will be created because losing losing the hearing capacity of the human beings, and they are mentally will be decreased. Mentally will be degradation, and also concentration will be lost because of the excessive amount of sound, and also they increase the stress and much more are directly affected to the human beings. In environment and other than human beings, environments, animals and birds, how they affected when that excessive amount of sound are directly affected to the animals and birds. Animals and birds, because animals are very sensitive. When the minimum sound will be also, they listening are much more. That's why they are going to the outside city, and they are very disturb this animal because of the sounds, and there are some animals will be losing because of the sound. In Diwali season, dogs will be directly affected to the patakes and so much more, and that's why they are directly affected, and the ecosystems also will be damaged because of the excessive amount of sound. Some of the animals or some of the species will be decreases, and they are directly affected to the ecosystem. That are all about the noise pollution and how they created that, how they alternations solution to give to tell that how the noise pollution will be decreases, and more various sources also discussed today's topic. These are all about the noise pollution. Thank you.